During your road test, your examiner is going to ask you to name potential hazards. And one of the hazards posed is road condition, right? So if it's raining, it not only can affect your safe stopping distance, so depending on how hard it's raining, the threat of hyperplaning is real, and whether or not you're gonna skid on the road, but also the glare from other vehicles' headlights, or if it's it had just rained and now it's sunny. Sometimes the pavement looks like a mirror. It's shining light directly into our face. So road condition gets affected by the rain, as well as depending on whether it's nighttime, it's harder to see the lines. And if it's in the morning, sometimes the glare from the sun bouncing off the light on the pavement makes it hard to see the lines and makes it just harder to see in general. So one of the things you can mention when it's raining is road condition, okay? So sometimes students will say, well, it's raining, but it's not raining that hard, so is that really a thing? But yes, road condition when it's raining is a valid thing you can mention as far as a potential hazard on the road. And it's not always just you causing an issue on the road, or you not being able to stop. Road condition can affect other road users as well. I've been at a red light waiting for the light to turn red, and the car behind me that was approaching saw that the traffic had stopped a bit late. They braked hard and they actually skid and rear-ended my vehicle. This is about 10 years ago, but I still remember it vividly because I could hear them, skidding as they were approaching my vehicle, and there's really not much time to react to that.